What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. Now, before we jump into the news, as you've probably been or hopefully been following my channel over the last week or few days, you've seen I've gone on a bunch of excursions. First, I went to the Samsung event and I went to New York. Or actually, I went to Connecticut first to visit family and then made my way over to New York. So it's basically a train ride between the two places. Then I flew home for a day, and then this whole weekend, basically, I've been in the San Jose area and was staying at a hotel. And guess what? My laptop is gone. The laptop I use when I edit videos, either because I can't edit on my desktop because I have to watch my son, or I'm going on vacation or going away from town and I need to edit on my laptop. It's gone. Basically, what happened was I used it once during the weekend. I used it on Saturday morning, I think it was, to edit my morning news video. And once I did that, I left it on the table, and then I remember putting it on top of our luggage. And then from there, I didn't use it. Now, I don't know if, I hate to say this, but I don't know if the cleaning lady stole it. I just don't know, because I had already edited my video and done that, and then they came in, they had access to the room because they saw us leaving. We said don't clean the room, but I don't know, maybe they stole it. The other part, and this is probably more likely, is that it somehow got knocked down, and maybe it was behind the clothing chest that it was on top of with the luggage. I don't know, but I had somebody check the room. It's not there. Just a big pain in the butt. So now I gotta get a laptop. And so if you have any recommendations for laptops, let me know, I guess. I'm thinking about the LG Gram, I think it's what it's called. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Kind of bites big time because it was a good laptop. It was a MacBook Pro. Anyways, guys, let's get into the news. I only have one story today, and it comes from Mr. D's product review channel. He's always commenting on my videos and leaves me a lot of questions for my Ask Me Anything videos. And he gave me a good little thing here, and this is basically a photo he took from Best Buy, and it shows off a chart, I guess you'd say, of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, Note 10 5G Plus, and the Note 10, and it shows you the different colors it comes in with the different storage configurations. And as you can see, there's 256, 512, and 1 terabyte. Now, of course, we know there's 256 and 512 gigabytes for the different versions of this phone, especially with the Note 10 Plus, but we have not heard of a 1 terabyte version for the Note 10 Plus, and it looks like there's going to be a Note 10 Plus 5G version in 1 terabyte size. Samsung hasn't officially come out and said this, but again, this is official documentation. This isn't something that's just made up. As you can see at the bottom, it says copyright 2019 Samsung Electronics. Now, I've gone to Verizon's website because they're currently the only carrier that actually sells a 5G version of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but they've only got 256 and 512. So I don't know, based off this photo, if when this comes to other carriers, which I know Verizon has a 90-day exclusivity for the 5G, if the other carriers are going to get a 1 terabyte version of this phone in the color of black. This is pretty big, I think. I know it's something that I personally have the Galaxy S10 Plus in 1 terabyte. I don't need 1 terabyte. 512 is actually perfect. 256 even would probably be fine with me. But it's cool that they're going to be coming out with that for sure. And I would think at that point, especially when I look at the prices on Verizon and you look at the 512 and the price is $13.99, I would assume that the 1 terabyte is probably going to be $15.99 at that point, just because of it being double the storage. It could be $14.99, but I would assume it's going to be $14.99 or $15.99 at the very least. But anyways, guys, there you guys go. Thank you, Mr. D's product review channel, for giving me that photo. Very, very cool scoop there. What do you guys think? Do you think that's going to come to fruition? A 1 terabyte Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, the ultimate version of that phone? Let me know in the comments down below. And or are you happy with the storage sizes? They already have the 256 and the 512. I'm super stoked that they knocked it out of the park storage-wise. I think to start off a base version of a phone with 256 is amazing, especially with a flagship phone. I think they really did a great job with that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. I'll see you guys down the road. Peace!